RC DoDoeleph stunt vehicle. Comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. It's up to 40 minutes of runtime, two 20-minute batteries, and you're going to see what this looks like, how it runs, hand gestures, and more with the wrist remote control or the remote control of the unit. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what it's all about. The company well packs its unit. Everything's included underneath and inside the package. We have information, an instruction guide, and more. A battery charging port cable that plugs into the battery one particular way. When fully complete charging, one green light. When charging, two lights, red and green simultaneously. It takes a couple hours to charge each of the batteries for the first time. The wristband remote control, left or right hand, included a special DIN charging cable that will light up red. Plug it into the side and the light's right there. A precision micro screwdriver Phillips to repair your vehicle, change out the batteries, and more. Loosen the screw, remove the tab door, add in two AA batteries, check to see if the transmitter comes on, and then lock down. The vehicle goes 12.5 miles in both designs, rock climbing mode and speed mode. The vehicle goes left by sliding and goes right by sliding. It does not turn. It does 360 flips and it is a double riding vehicle. On the back will be an on and off switch and two Phillips screws that you're going to take off. Grab on the end. Open up the door to find the second battery that will require charging. Once the battery is in the unit, you're able to close up the door. Please remove the tags. They are not needed. They are safety reasons on there, meaning please be careful and read the instructions. Secure down every time you take the battery out and put a new battery in. The on and off switch, turn the unit on. You have lights that will light up. Turn the transmitter on. The unit is now paired and ready to move. The stunt mobile has a climb mode, which this is, and a sports mode, which it looks like that. If you are doing stunts and everything in sports mode, you're able to flip it around and continue your fun. If you're in rock climbing mode, you're not going to be able to flip it around. So that's when you will switch it back to sports mode, and when you flip over, then you could correctly go back to the climb mode. This is your forward, this is your back, this is your left, and this is your right. Now when you press this button, this baby's going to just spin around and do different things, and as well as the other button, and I'll demonstrate that outside on one of the terrains. So let's go out, demonstrate this unit. It lights up. It's got all these little rubber areas. This could go on a carpet, a floor, a road, sand, rocks. You could go around this obstruction by simply going like so and going forward. And let me kind of show that to you right now. So I'm not going to go into my phone and then go forward. Now this switch is a single switch, so if you go forward, it's going to go forward at one speed. It doesn't have a variable. So this is great for kids of all ages. And let's not forget, we have here wrist remote control. We're going to be just demonstrating holding the vehicle so you can see what's happening. It goes on your hand like so. There is a switch over here that you're going to press. And when you press this button on, long press, it lights up. Turn your vehicle on. Find the on and off switch. We are paired, and when we're ready to use this, press this button once. As you can see, it's ready to go. So if I press the button, the vehicle starts, it transforms, and it goes to my wrist and everything. I'm pressing the button. Now the difference between the controller and the wrist controller is you're able to do this in a stop motion to go from climb to sport. So let's put this down on the floor and do our best not to crash and damage anything. Doing the trick. Let's do our best to keep in control. You need plenty of room to show the demonstration button. The other button, if I press it, may not happen. The left button. I'm going to stop the demonstration. I'm going to go to the right. I'm going to back, go to the left, and go forward. And then I'm going to do the demonstration on the right. And that button's disabled. And here we go again. And we're going to go over and see what we can do. So we can climb over certain obstacles depending on which way it goes. So if I got something blocking me, I can simply go around just like so. And come around just like that. So if you're looking for a stunt vehicle so you could go on the carpet, outside in the sand, on a floor, this product may be right for you to have a lot of fun inside. Kids of all ages with a smart watch type controller or remote controller. The choice is up to you. I hope you enjoy your product and have a lot of fun with the stunt car.